Hi, this is Carolyn Wilhelm. I am from Wise Owl Factory, and today Miss Owl has a new microscope called the Junior Scope. And this is about her experience with it. She was wondering how scientists know if something is a virus. Can't imagine why she'd be thinking about that right now. And she found out scientists and doctors look through microscopes.
It's a fly leg.
The first thing she studied was fly legs, because in this kit there are 5 prepared slides for children, and they get to look way down this tube into the microscope. And then she studied part of a flower. She was able to prepare a slide with one of her own hairs, which was very fun for her. And she put it in the microscope.
Whoa, it's even tinier! Look at you barely can see anything.
So, a real compound microscope with 3 different settings is designed for kids 3 through 8. And you can see some of the magnification levels there. It has lighting for slides. It has knobs for making images look sharp. It operates anywhere on 3 AA batteries, even outside, which is very fun. Miss Owl has had magnifying glasses, but she's never had a microscope. She's thinking someday she might like to have a whole science lab, and it would be a start for her to understand the microscopic world. And no, Miss Pepper, the microscope is only for Miss Owl, not for kitties. Thank you for listening, and we hope you read our blog post about this.